We are all aware that for the last 2-3 weeks, there has been a spate of unrest in our schools, created largely by indiscipline. And I want to say, as government, we are doing everything possible to contain the situation. And as I was already aware, we have directed a national audit for the next 10 days of all our boarding schools to ensure that they meet the safety standards. In addition to that, we have deployed 1,000 quality assurance officers around our schools to support in containing these unrests in our schools. In addition to that, we are telling the parents and the teachers they need to strengthen guidance and counseling. They need to strengthen the student leadership structures so that they have a conversation with students. Instead of forcing the students to do things, they can engage them. In addition to that, we're also saying that there are some of the mock examinations which are creating tensions in our schools. We have asked the boards of management and the school management to reconsider even postponing the mock exams temporarily to ensure that students do not riot. Let us have a conversation with the students. If they are not ready for a mock exam, you should be able to engage them. They should be able to tell you if that is what is causing tension in our schools. So I want to tell the country 99.2% of our schools are safe. Learning is going on well. Less than 80 schools around the country are the ones which have problems. And we are not going to change the term dates because of 80 schools out of 52,000 schools. You can imagine. We have problems in less than 80 schools. And the 80 schools are telling us to change the calendar of the term, and yet more than 51,000 schools are running smoothly. We have put a lot of investment in education. We cannot just be wishy-washy about it. We must be firm. And I want to direct all our county directors of education, let us be firm and do the right thing.